baking a red velvet cake, making pastillas, and making cookies. Kasi birthday ko. Di mo ba ako binabate? Joke lang. Apat araw pa. For sure, dahil mabagal ako mag-edit. By the time na na-post tong video to, nag-birthday na ako. Hindi na ako 26, siguro 28 na. Ginagawa ko to annually. Actually, hindi. Linggo-linggo ako nagbe-bake. Pero yung ganito karami, whenever it's my birthday, I just feel like giving back to people, to my friends, to my family, to anyone really. Kaya gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo kung paano gumawa. Kahit nagawa ko na, ililipat na lang talaga. Ano mapakita ko? Pati yung cookie dough nagawa ko na at tatimbang ko na isa-isa kahapon. So, ano mapakita ko sa inyo? Taste test. Mukbang. Yun naman talaga habol nyo eh. Yun naman talaga habol nyo eh. Hindi nyo nagluluto. Kanyang ka naman eh. Naman kong energy. It's the coffee. Short nails. But yeah, kinabit ko na talaga tong bit na to just to remind all of you na try things. Recently, I've been trying and experiencing life a little bit differently. I've been trying new food. I've been going to new places. I tried hiking. I tried electric boxing. I tried making Filipino delicacies. I tried different local bakeries. I tried baking different flavors of food I don't usually make. Also on my TikTok, I've been trying different local snacks, different weird combinations, new products. I started reading new books. I started listening to different podcasters. As I turned 26, ang wish ko ay for everyone to be experiencing life the way they want it to be. Sana lahat masaya. Kung hindi man, sana lahat natututo because life really is too short. Gasgas na gasgas man sa tenga natin yung saying na yun. Anyways, hindi pinaghihintay ang pagkain. 30 na ako, hindi pa rin tapos tumada. Tuloy ka na to and see you doon. Next day, time to frost my cake. Ang nagpapa-excite sa akin ay gumagawa ako ng cake para sa ibang tao. Hindi ko iniisip na tatanda ako in a few days just to keep me happy about this. What is this vlogger? 7 years na ako sa YouTube pero hindi pa rin ako marunong mag-vlog. Excited na ako. I'm so happy.
Just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go?
Do you want this one para sa phone niya?
Oh, yes, please. Perfect. Thank you.
We're driving coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight.
Walang peanut butter pero may peanuts.
Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. I don't even care about the price, yeah. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you.
Ito pre-game meal naman.
for a moment. Minsan lang to. But huge shout out to my boyfriend. Charot. Who planned an entire day for me. Literally appreciate this man so much. Despite him currently recovering from his surgery, he still managed to really plan an entire day of celebrating my 26 years of existence. I'm not really the type na nagpapa-party pag birthday ko, lalo na pag anticlimactic, like 26 years, like 26. Bakit nagka-26 yung mga tao? Ang pangit pakinggan. Where was I? Kahit hindi siya masyado makalakad ng maayos at the moment, he still brought me this huge cake. The amazing caramel cake from Estrel's. Excited ako kainin to. Makikita niyo ba hanggang na to kalaki? But anyways, I love it so much. Thank you. He made a reservation for us at Inato PH. And it was my first course meal. Hindi ko lang kung ilang courses yun. Tourism. Ay! Ang pangit ng joke. The restaurant didn't really offer their usual a la carte menu that time. And kailangan niyo matry. I don't think I have enough vocab to describe how good the food was. Pero sana asa bibig ko pa rin lahat ng pagkain ngayon. Very satisfying. And also, sinabi niya pala na birthday ko. Kaya ang cute nung naglabas sila ng cake for me. Tapos nilagyan ng cheese. Cheese ba yun? Hindi ako nakikinig eh. Kasi before lumabas yung bawat dish, i-describe mo nila ingredients, how they came about crafting that dish. Pero nung dun sa cake, dahil ang cute at ang sweet, hindi ako nakinig. Wala ba yun sa Grab? Wala ba yun sa Foodpanda? So earlier that day, he gave me my first 2 bags from Beyond the Vines. Kung kilala nyo ako at kung close tayo in person, alam yung comfort zone ko talaga ang itim na damit, na gamit, and pink. Well, pag gamit pink, pero pag damit, basta ilalagay ko sa katawan ko, masaya ako pag itim. But also, ang New Year's resolution ko tuwing January 1 ay magdagdag ng kulay. Literally, sa akin. I always wanted that touch of color. Gusto ko nga nung yung para sa Korea, yung color therapy. Yung hanapin nila yung kulay na babagay sa'yo, gusto ko nun, as in checklist pagpunta sa Japan. Gusto ko yung na-explain ako pero hindi ko pinakita ko ano. 3 months ago, he also got me the pink version of the Sambas. So, I think bagay ito doon.
He's making me an outfit or something.
Ooh. Another bag for my laptop kasi I usually do my editing outside. I love it. So Kelly coded kasi ang daming lalagyan. Lagi ako maraming bitbit. If you've seen my what's in my bag video, alam mo para akong mall. Magiging mall tong bag na to. Another pop of color to my black monochromatic look every single day. So yeah, I'm very thankful for him for all the experiences. They're all great and amazing. And so let's move on to the continuation of my birthdays. Capital S. Thanks, Mark.
Matcha is life. Matcha is life.
Ice cream mukbang. Para akong daga. Mantik ka lang ba?
Masagasaan.
Nagmagal. Ang 10 buhay na natin.
Ay, true. Hindi po namin dinaanan. Nalagim. Ay, happy birthday, Kelly. Kain na kami. Hala. Wait, try mo na lang.
May spicy. Oh my God, magutom ka na. Pwede pala rin ng nori.
Sorry.
Para put me out.
Oo nga. Diba?
Kumain. See you in our next location.
October ano eh.
Birthday!
For
Onting Friday lang ah. Lagi ba yung boses? Sorry. Happy birthday! Ay, vlog ba yun? Vlog ba yun? Yun nga na may bigay sa akin. Yun sa band. House tour! Ay, ako yun.
Mabili po! Uy! Uy, lumabas! You!
May laptop na. Cocktail. May down pa. Masarap.
Parang yung ganun.
Gin and tonic na floral. Beer mukbang!
Sana sinabi mo para di na umaso, para di na umaso. Ay, para sa huli. Sana